once. No. All right. Loser. Listen, okay? Okay, now. Hey, no. All right, no, stop. Okay. Why are you doing? Now listen. Listen, okay? Okay. Don't say okay. All right. Don't say all right. Okay. Don't say it. Now, Listen, all right? Okay, all right, loser. Listen, all right? Okay, now, I am trying to talk. No, don't interrupt. Okay, now, we are what? You are not my echo. Now look at these people, ugly. They are not, they're dark. No. The lights are down on you. No. See the people in the back? Look at them. You know who they are? Yeah, but wait. No. Look in the back, say hello. Hello, woman. Don't say woman, be polite, okay? Okay, well, yo, babe. No, you don't talk like that. You be polite, okay? All right. Hot chick. No! What were you doing? Talking like a bird. Really? Hey, chickie. Say something nice to her. Nice feathers. All right, that was good. Huge feathers. No, stop! If you want to impress the girls, get rid of you. Come on, loser. No, stop. All right, okay. Can you count? Yeah. Can you count to 10? Yeah. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good. Can you count higher? Yeah. Okay. What? Not that way, the other way, okay? All right. Okay. Jack, Queen, King, Ace. Well, that wasn't bad. You're kind of right. I know. All right. Can you count to 10 in Spanish? Yeah. Okay. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Okay. 4. Okay. 3. No. Start over. You're confused. My job. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 now. You cheated. My job. No, where'd you learn that? Portland Public School. No. Do something else, all right? Okay. Want to do a joke? Yeah. Okay, go for it. What was that? A short gag. Listen, all right? Okay, we're gonna count, okay? And you're gonna sing. Ready? Ready. Okay, sing a song. A song. That is one. Stop it. Anyone? 1, 2. Oh. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that didn't count. I wasn't counting. Let's sing it right. Right? No, not right. Left. No. Now go ahead. Straight. No, it's the other way. Reverse. No. The song. Oh, stop it. What are you doing? Clearing your throat. What do you want? I want the girl. You leave those girls. I want her. You leave her alone. See that guy next to her? Yeah. Do you know who he is? Yeah. What, bald eagle? No. little buzzer. Listen, I think it's time to put you away.
They're going to put you away.
They will after this, right?
Right.
Okay, so we'll give you the reward. You did some things. We have a very special person here tonight that we promised we would bring up on stage. There's Jerry here. I can't see very well.
Right here.
All right, bring Jerry on up here. Let's give him a big round of applause. Jerry, right over here, up this side. Come over here, Jerry. Come over here, over on this side. That's it. Now look at the bird. Come here. Hold up your hand. Let him get used to. You know, when it comes to wild animals, you have to be very careful because... No. Now listen. No. Pfaffle. No. That's Jerry, okay?
Okay.
Do you know who he is?
Yeah.
What?
Dinner.
No. He is not dinner. He's Jerry.
Appetizer.
He's a little boy.
Shrimp appetizer.
He's going to give you a little pet. No, you can't talk like that. Now, that's Jerry. You want to be nice to him, okay?
All right.
All right.
Main course.
No. What do you say now?
Got milk?
Now listen. He's going to give you a little pet. Ah, that fit. No, don't do that! All right. You gave him a little pet. Now he's going to give you a little bird kiss. Little bird kiss. Look straight up. It's okay. What'd you do that for?
These are...
No. What do you say? You tell him you're sorry.
You're sorry.
No, say the words.
The words.
No, say it to him.
To him.
No, say I. No, say it to him.
To him.
No, say I.
I am what?
You're sorry.
You're sorry.
Don't say you're sorry. Say you are. No. Say I am.
You are.
No. Say it to him.
He is.
No. Say I am sorry, okay?
Okay, well, he's sorry.
Jerry, one more pet. Thank you very much. That's my bird. Jerry, you go back to your seat. Let's give Jerry a big round of applause. That's my bird, Pfaffle.